I'm waking up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you.
Oh yeah. Yeah. The gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend and make your USDON. I get too crazy, got a little baddie now. We stay good friends, we get too wavy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins.
I keep asking all my life, please stressing about you. But you'll be home from work, calling me about your day. I ain't falling in the trap of tripping, hope of assumptions. Just tell me when you made it to your destination. Say I went to sleep at 3 a.m. You called me minutes later to tell me your college babe was in town and you're scooping him. Never found out while communicating. I ain't stupid.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Kim. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that bell to be notified every time a video drops. So, today is July 23rd, and we finally going to the beach. Period. Yo, you have no idea how long I've been fiending to go to the beach. Like, she's been calling my name since summer started. She's been calling my name. So, I look so good. Anyways, so we're going to the beach. We're going to the beach.
Yes, we are.
We're going to the beach.
Mwah.
You should see how she look right now. She is so glittered up.
Yep. Oh, damn, dude. Dolly do it. Look, see. Yeah, see it? Yeah.
I'm probably gonna see with the nice one. Like, why do we look this good to go to the beach? We look good everywhere we go.
Oh! Fly boy. You got shades on, right? Oh, little Bobby sexy son. Little Bobby sexy son. Oh, straight on my pool.
Nigga, you're going to the beach, not the club. What are you wearing? What are you wearing? Now you can't say nothing about me because look at how I look. I'm going to the beach.
Catch it. Your mother got you right now. What?
What do you mean? No.
Ooh, fly boy. I'm gonna stop making money yet. Woo-hoo. Okay.
Eyelash.
Okay.
Phone. Let me go put my earrings on because my family play too much. Like, why they play so much? When me feel weird, when me feel weird, when me feel weird, when me feel weird, when me feel weird. Yo, these earrings are so big. I've never worn them because they're so fucking big. If I lose them in the ocean, oh well. I got them on Shein, so I can get them again. I've never worn them though, and I've had them for 2 years now. I'm coming, I'm coming. I'm coming, I'm coming. See how these bitches are so big? Period. Who you know? Who the fuck you know? Let me stop. Anyway, I'm about to grease my skin on that beach when I get there. My face might look a little dry, but it's whatever, it's whatever. I'm not trying to be too hot and sweaty in this summer heat. Okay, and we ready for the reward. Oh, y'all gonna see, y'all gonna see, y'all gonna see, y'all gonna see, y'all gonna see. Look at my beach bag. Yo, if anything like falls out of this bag, I'm suing Shein. But we're gonna stay on the safe side because I don't want nothing valuable to be lost. So we go actually. I just peeped that intro was so long, like it was so long. But anyways, we gonna head out and go to Target because I need new beach towels. I can't keep using the same one, so we gonna get some beach towels and some other stuff, I think. and then we on the way to the beach. You know what I'm craving for the most when I go to the beach? Funnel cake. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. So we're about to go. Buy room. See you in a couple of hours. I'm dead. My mom say bye room. See you until 11 o'clock. Loving you. It's easy. And I'm out shorts. My skin is so dry. Who cares? Anyways, we ready for the road.
Pick one. That one. Or that one.
That one. What? I didn't feel the other one. What's your problem? What's your problem? Anyways. Yo, I wanted to wear my other shorts, but it's fucking dirty. I wore it on my brother's birthday, and I completely forgot. It was actually the shorts I wore for the whole weekend. Y'all probably seen that vlog already, but y'all probably didn't see the shorts. But it's probably in the thumbnail. You know what? When we get to fucking Target, we'll talk.
But coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a life. What a life that I've been given. What a life. What a life that I've been living. What a life. What a life we died to live. And what a life.
Clean like me coming on me video. Me come through like a soldier. She give me teeth and she pleasing my road. She got the keys to my Porsche on my Rover. We in Miami living la vida loca. Yeah, yeah, you got that teen I know. You got the body I know. You make me sing I know. You make me sing I know. Yeah, you got that teen I know. You got the body I know. You make me sing I know. You make me sing, I know. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, come closer. Yeah,
Rip me out the plastic cabinet and brand new. That was too much salt for me. Okay, y'all. Before I go to sleep and forget about this vlog. Let me update y'all real quick. So, I don't know where the fuck. I don't know. What left off? Me get ready this morning. We got Target. Yeah, so went to Target to get some towels. Never use mine on the beach. I just air dry. Cause the sun was. Must tell you, so the sun, brother. The sun did at your foot. I think. I don't remember, but I think the sun fuck up my foot somewhere. Brother, when I say sun fuck hot, sun hot. Could walk on sun, brother. For the fling down that I make sun go to the slippers. Me could do. You crazy? But not pay me for up on them hot. No, baby. So yeah, sun did hot. We got Target to get towels. I got the cutest towel. I think y'all saw it in the video. I didn't use it at the beach. Someone fuck me with white towel. Like I can't carry white. Anyways. No sound. Period. Yes, guys. So we went to Target. Then we went to go get some food. Because all I did for hungry. We went to McDonald's. Then we actually went to the Bath and Body Works. Then I come up with them fall stuff. And they're funky already. I ate fall fragrance. But I did find 2 in there I actually like the smell of. I'm gonna go back in there for. My boobs are a bit flipper. What else to do? Yeah, so reach the beach now. My mother, she no fear and miserable ways them take over because too much people today. Place art. I'm trying best to ignore she when she get like that because you now come kill my vibe, Susanna. But yeah, we'll find a spot closer to the water. We'll take a quick picture there before, you know, take a picture out of the water, into the water, insert videos, clips, all of them there. I think y'all saw that already. And then we'll go get some funnel cake because if me go Coney Island, you really think me go Coney Island and don't get funnel cake? You're fuck mad. Crazy. Always go to Coney Island. Whenever I do, I get my funnel cake. Every time. Yeah, and then now it was a good time. Sun did hot and sing. People drawn and sing. But this is some sardine in the water. But yeah, other than that, it was a really good vibe. I actually enjoyed myself. My salty. I show I'm gonna show right now, I'm gonna sleep. Let's say I'm gonna edit this real quick. Update on it real quick. What else? So yeah, we'll go up on the train for come home and they got off. They're not here, I'm the only one here. They got off, they went somewhere else. Them gone to my mother friend yard. Gonna go chill. I'm gonna watch a movie, watch Sit Nuts. Can't take part in that. I'm gonna get bored before I reach. So yeah, them come off. Me still up on the train for a good while until I start buck sleep. Yeah, train is stuck for a little while too. Then here we are. Here we is our. Yes, guys. Anyways, so that's it. Before I actually put on the phone and drop on one side, I don't want to charge. The earring actually made it back home. That is good. But yeah, before I let go now, let me actually close out this video. It was a beach day, it wasn't unserious. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications. I'm on shave so that y'all won't miss any uploads. All right, y'all, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, Girl Scouts.